Madison Square Garden, well, the epicenter of the excitement and buzz revolving around Prime Minister Modi's upcoming speech. But the crackling energy is not only felt in the United States. Back home, the excitement is reaching a crescendo as Indians gear up to hear their Prime Minister speak. Only on Times Now, well, we'll bring you all the action from Madison Square Garden.
I'm Gitesh Desai from Houston, Texas. I'm the political activist in Texas. And Sharad Amin, we went to India for campaigning for 2 months in Varanasi and Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh and some of the districts in Gujarat. This is the best thing happened to the United States.
Much before he landed in New York, his supporters on the streets ready to welcome the Prime Minister at Madison Avenue.
I'm here for Modi. What else? Everyone is here for Modi. I've taken off from work just so that I can see him.
Is it India or is it Modi?
It's of course India too.
And as he made the world take note of his words from the famous green marble podium, his admirers gathered to back him.
He is able, he is efficient enough to bring back to its glory. And we have so much faith in him. We have support him. We have solidarity. We want to show the solidarity behind him.
From all corners of US to Indians back home, they are now gearing up for the most awaited speech at the historic Madison Square Garden.
My name is Sharad Amin and I am here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited because I came here 40 years back. This is the first time we can see the light at the end of the tunnel in India.
As the Prime Minister readies to book his appointment with American history, it would be a rare and prestigious moment for all those who have travelled miles to watch him.
Yes, I think it was important for me to come just to show my solidarity and be with the Indian community as their representative, as one of them at this historic moment.
The Indian American community in New York coming together to support Modi and also to welcome him to America. The levels of enthusiasm for the Prime Minister are unprecedented ahead of his upcoming speech at Madison Square Garden. In New York, Natasha Srani for Times Now.